the changes on this collection for summer. Blow cold first, and just look at it. These are scenes that typify the biting blizzards that have been sweeping East Coast cities in the United States. Snow, icy gales, and sub-zero weather from Boston to New York and beyond. Inevitably, lives have been lost in this sudden freak onslaught of February storms. We in Britain, by comparison, seem to have been fairly lucky with our winter so far, but of course there's time yet. In downtown New York, it blew hot while it was still blowing cold. A big blaze in a paper factory resulted in tragedy when 6 firefighters were killed by falling beams and masonry. 4 were buried beneath the rubble and could not be rescued in spite of every effort by over 700 men. Grim scenes following a blaze that started in a blizzard.